you've got a full day ahead. The last thing you need are problems.
I didn't think it was that big of a deal, but these look like they've already been...
You need premium parts for non-Ford repairs because there's a lot riding on it.
Perfect, thank you. Let's go take a look at the car.
You need parts that work. Omnicraft gets it. Omnicraft premium replacement parts are designed for non-Ford and non-Lincoln vehicles and are approved and backed by Ford Motor Company. You already rely on Motorcraft, and with Omnicraft on the team, customers can now enjoy access to high-quality, competitively priced parts for the other major brands. Omnicraft can help save you time and effort to make you happy and create quality, lasting repairs that make customers happy. Part of the Ford Motor Company Total Parts lineup, Omnicraft draws on Ford's history as an auto manufacturer to help add value and quality to the Omnicraft line of maintenance and light repair parts. There are more than 3,900 existing Omnicraft part numbers representing 26 product lines and more on the way. Omnicraft provides a warranty that is on par with or better than the best of the aftermarket in each category. All Omnicraft warranties come with no commercial exceptions, and installers and fleets can also get labor reimbursements of up to $150. By using Ford parts, Motorcraft, and Omnicraft parts, you get quality parts that fit from a source you trust, plus the benefit of easy ordering, streamlined billing, and simplified warranty claims. That's a lot of ways that we make your life easier. For premium parts that you and your non-Ford and non-Lincoln customers can trust, choose Omnicraft, backed by Ford.